wine peeps, it's Laurie Forster, the wine coach here, and Charlotte Thompson from Baltimore asked, what do I do when I'm trying to pair food and wine? Well, Charlotte, that's actually a pretty in-depth question if we were to go into all angles, but for a short video, I want to tell you my #1 overall tip or rule to be thinking about when you're pairing wine and food. You want to match the weight of the wine to the weight of the food. So what do I mean by that? The weight of the wine is what we call body, and that's that lightness, medium, or fullness you feel on the palate when you take a sip. It's pretty much equatable to the alcohol percentage. Wines under 12% are your light wines, 12 to 14% in your medium range, and over 14% alcohol, those are your fuller bodied wines. So if you're trying to pair food and wine where you have light foods like salad and seafood, we tend to go with our lighter, lower alcohol wines like whites and rosés or even sparkling wines. Then when you're getting into more meatier fish or chicken or pork, that's where you can go into your more medium-bodied whites, your rosés, which I love, and then your lighter reds like Pinot Noir, Beaujolais. When you get into your meaty things like steaks and stews and burgers, then you want to go to your fuller-bodied wines, which do tend to be your red wines. I like to use the analogy, especially for us ladies, it's like matching the shoes to your outfit. Are you gonna wear those floral, dainty sandals with a black business suit? I think not. Are you gonna wear the black chunky pumps with your floral sundress? Probably not. And that's like trying to put a Pinot Grigio with a steak. That food is gonna overwhelm the wine. Or a Cabernet Sauvignon with a delicate seafood salad. Clobber, wine kills the food. So try to match the weight of the wine to the weight of the food, and then think a little bit about the ingredients and the sauces that you're using. I'll get into that a little bit more in a future video when I talk about some of my weird science food and wine reactions. But just remember, match the weight of the food to the weight of the wine, and you're halfway there. This is Laurie Forster, the wine coach. Cheers, and Charlotte, I hope I answered your question.